This is how you create this cool psychedelic X-ray effect inside After Effects. New composition, these are my settings. Okay, import my artist clip, drag it on the timeline. Then in the effects and presets, find edges. Apply that, invert so it's darker. Then apply a glow. This is where it really comes alive. I'm going to decrease the threshold. Then I'm going to increase the glow radius. So it gets a bit more blurred and feathered to about 200. And also the glow intensity as well. Then a hue and saturation. And you can find on the master hue a colour you like. So quite like this purple and silver. And then I can also keyframe the channel range on frame 1. So it begins with our silver and purple, and then go to the end and then rotate this about 3 times. You'll see the number change on the left there. So we've done 3 full cycles. We can go a step further. If you like it like this, leave it. But if you want to go a bit more crazy, sort of a more like Travis Scott kind of vibe, you go Command D to duplicate. And then what we can actually do is on that top layer, just change the blending mode to add. And then we can just offset it like this and then make up for those lost frames. And then what we can do is press T on the keyboard and then option click the opacity and then go time 100, asterisk 100. And then it's sort of coming in and out of opacity like this. And if it's a bit too ghostly, you can just offset the frames and bring it back so it's not quite as mismatched. So voila.